Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Thor's hammer. This impressive cut of beef, also known as a beef shank, is a showstopper. It's a large, bone-in piece of meat that, when prepared correctly, becomes incredibly tender and flavorful. We'll cover everything from preparing the shank to the slow cooking process, ensuring you achieve a truly epic meal. Before cooking, proper preparation is key. First, trim any large pieces of excess fat or silver skin from your beef shank. Next, apply a thin layer of a binder, such as olive oil or a W sauce, to help your seasoning stick. Then, generously coat the entire shank with your preferred beef rub. Let this seasoning set for at least 15 minutes, or even better, refrigerate it overnight for deeper flavor. The magic happens with a low and slow approach. Begin by preheating your smoker or oven to about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Smoke the beef shank for roughly 4 hours, or until a beautiful, dark bark develops. Then, place the shank in a pan with about 1/2 cup of beef broth, cover it tightly with foil, and return it to the smoker or oven. Continue cooking at 250 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the meat is probe tender, typically around 203 degrees internal temperature. Once cooked, remove your Thor's hammer from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for at least 15 to 30 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum tenderness. The meat should be incredibly soft and easy to pull or shred right off the bone. Serve this rich, flavorful shredded beef with its delicious braising liquid and your chosen accompaniments, like warm tortillas for epic tacos or creamy mashed potatoes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.